Hey guys, and welcome back to the Oh Hello Stationery Co. YouTube channel. Today I'm sharing with you all of our January sticker releases. So we came out with 4 different kits as well as a bunch of individual stickers. So these are the 4 kits that are available now. There will be links to everything in the description. If you want to go check it out, all of the new releases are live so you can purchase them if you see anything you like. So we have an Easter kit, a Mermaid kit, the Flamingos in Winter Kit, as well as our March monthly colors. So I'm going to go through all of these kits individually so you can get up close and personal with them and see all of what the sheets look like. So you can purchase the kits as full kits in glossy or matte or individual sheets. So you can mix and match to make the perfect kit for your planning style. So let's start with the Flamingos in Winter Kit. It comes with a washi sheet of these really cute little palm leaves. Then we have the functional sheet, half boxes, heart checklists, the decorative boxes. I really like this kit because it has some winter vibes to it, but it also has some pastels, so it could be a really good transition when it's getting closer to spring, but it's still kind of cold outside. Then we have the font variety sheet, as well as the decorative sheet. The Mermaid Weekly Kit also has 7 sheets. This is the washi tape, heart checklists, functional, half boxes, the full boxes, the font variety sheet, and then the decorative sheet. The Easter kit also follows the same 7-sheet pattern. So we have functional. This is the washi strips with some really cute little Easter eggs. Then we have the heart checklists, half boxes, the full boxes, so really cute Easter decor full boxes, the font variety sheet, and then the decorative sheet. Moving on to the March monthly colors, these kits do not have a decorative sheet, so they're only 6 sheets, so they're a little bit smaller, and the price reflects that. So this is the washi strip sheet. We wanted to have some St. Patrick's vibes to it without being too over the top, so it's more of a subtle nod to St. Patrick's Day with the clover pattern. These are the half boxes, the functional sheet, of course heart checklists, and then the full boxes. Lots of bright fun green for spring, and then the font variety sheet. All of our monthly color collections also come in some individual supplementary sheets. So we have this set, which is for the monthly view. It comes with 2 sheets. So this is kind of like the variety decorative sheet. And then this is the top header sheet. Then we also have an individual sheet of weekend headers, banners, and books. So depending on how you plan, you might want to take some of these piecemeal stickers, incorporate it into your spreads, or if you just want a little bit of this color scheme, this would be a great option for you as well. All of our mini kits also come as a mini weekly kit sheet. So we have the March colors. There's also the Flamingos in Winter, Mermaids, and Easter. So if you don't need all of the stickers of the full kit, you could get this mini one and then a couple of other sheets to make the perfect kit for you. We also have a couple of seasonal stickers that are now available. We have this larger Easter sheet. So this is the same like designs as the mini one, but if you want just a little bit more characters, you can get this sheet. Then we also have 2 Blobby Sheets coming out, which I'm super excited for. This is the Easter sheet. It came out last year and I loved it. Easter's my favorite holiday, so of course anything Easter I'm all for. But we just created a St. Patrick's Day Blobby Sheet as well. So both of these are available right now along with everything else. So there you guys have it, all of the stickers that we just released for our January release. Everything is available right now. Go find links in the description and head on over to Oh Hello Co. to purchase all of these wonderful goodies. We have a lot of new ideas and new projects and new items coming out over the next couple of months, so definitely stay tuned for all of that information. I'll be doing tons of sneaks and spoilers on this channel, so be sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you like all of our new sticker releases, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.